Well, yesterday's storms packed a serious punch across parts of East Texas into this morning. And in one town in Tatum, a local business is still picking up the pieces. A powerful burst of wind shattered windows and sent debris flying at a corner store just off of Highway 149. Jesus Martinez shows us the damage.
Yeah, the sun may be out, but it's not all smiles for people cleaning up after yesterday's round of severe weather. Here in Tatum, they saw severe thunderstorms during the afternoon. Here along Highway 149, this convenience store saw a brunt of that damage. Strong winds blew in parts of the windows here. The part of the building that was damaged is a storage area where they keep drinks and other supplies. Thankfully, no one was inside the room when the storms hit. Assistant manager Caitlin McCoy says she was at home when she got word of the damage and rushed over to check on her coworkers.
Whenever the storms hit, one of my coworkers / employees, he texted a picture to our work group chat of the back room full of glass, full of metal, and was like, this just happened. I was like, what the heck? But we're really glad nobody was back here, because if our employee was here or his girlfriend was back here, they would have gotten hit with the glass and possibly gotten killed.
By midnight, the windows were boarded up ahead of the second round of storms. Caitlin, who's worked here for about 3 years, says she can't remember the store ever seeing damage this bad. And the assistant manager tells me that they already have a crew on their way to get all this mess fixed up. That way they can get brand new windows and that storage room back up and running again. Thankfully, no injuries in all this mess. In Tatum, I'm Jesus Martinez. Back to you.
Thank you, Jesus. Now to Timpson, where we know there is damage to homes, businesses, and even the First Baptist Church in Timpson. You can see that extensive structural damage there. If you see any damage in your area, we do want to hear from you. You can send us photos through our CBS 19 app or our social media pages.